You're watching Invention Chronicles, exploring the greatest ideas ever imagined. Transparent aluminum sounds like science fiction, but today, it's real. A material tougher than steel, clearer than glass, and strong enough to stop bullets. Engineers have spent decades refining it for clarity and strength. Today, it's edging closer to mainstream use. Let's see what it is, how it's made, and where it's going. This is the story of transparent aluminum. This supermaterial is called ALON, aluminum oxynitride. It's a special ceramic that, once processed, becomes completely crystal clear. ALON is harder than steel, scratch-resistant, and nearly unbreakable, with a hardness that rivals sapphire. For the same level of protection, it can be made significantly thinner and lighter than traditional laminated glass. It also handles extreme heat without warping and resists damage from chemicals and abrasion. Its optical-grade transparency extends across visible and near-infrared bands, enabling advanced optics. In short, ALON is a clear ceramic built for extremes. ALON begins as a fine powder. Engineers compress it under enormous pressure, then heat it to temperatures above 2000 degrees Celsius. At heat, particles bond into a dense ceramic. Careful cooling prevents internal stress. Next, grinding sets exact dimensions. Lapping smooths the surface at the micron scale. Polishing brings it to optical clarity. Each pane is inspected for microscopic defects. Anti-reflective coatings and beveled edges finalize performance. The result, thinner armor for the same protection. Certified, serialized, and ready for extreme environments. From powder to perfection, engineered clarity. In live fire tests, transparent aluminum stops high-caliber rounds. Its hardness and fracture behavior absorb and dissipate energy. Compared to traditional glass armor, damage is reduced and localized. It resists heat and thermal shock. Harsh chemicals leave little trace. Lasers struggle to scar its surface. It withstands the radiation found in space, scratch-resistant under mechanical abuse. UV and weathering show excellent stability. Holds seal under pressure without fogging. Metrics confirm multi-threat resilience. Proof, not promise. Performance under real stress. That's why ALON is drawing global attention. From spacecraft windows to long-duration habitats needing durable viewports, transparent aluminum offers robust clarity. For armored vehicles, thinner, lighter vision systems improve mobility. Sensor windows stay optically precise under stress. Future architecture can be safer without sacrificing aesthetics. Critical facilities gain resilient transparency. Pressure-resistant windows for ocean exploration. Chemical and thermal resilience benefit advanced manufacturing. Laser systems need windows that don't degrade. Autonomous systems demand durable optics in all weather. Urban design can integrate safety seamlessly. Consumer devices may one day leverage similar ceramics. Multi-band transparency enables next-gen sensing. Across industries, ALON could reshape design choices. A material once imagined in science fiction may soon become the backbone of future engineering. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of invention and discovery.